Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put text into your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. And first and foremost, what I recommend you to do is to get this essential graphics. If you're planning on putting some text in your video, then I recommend that you get the essential graphics pane or panel in your workspace. So to do that, you simply need to go into Window and make sure that you have your essential graphics on, because this is very helpful in editing your text and so on. So let's put a text. So it's very simple. All you have to do is press this button right here, this T button or type tool, or you can just press T on your keyboard and then press or click on anywhere on your video where you want to put your text. And then let's say we want just text. Just for an example, let's put text. And I want to expand this to the duration of the video just for the sake of it. And right here, as you can see in the essential graphics, we can see the text right here when you select the text in your timeline, and you simply need to click your text, and then from here you can edit everything right here. So first is the align and transform right here. So you can do this right here. So if you want it to be aligned left, or to be aligned at the left and foremost of your video, you can do this, and you can do this to perfectly put your text into the center or at the bottom, at the top, and so on, at the middle right here if you want to. And you also have this right here, you can switch edge and so on, the video frame, but I don't think this is really necessary. And from here you can edit your positions, your scaling, your opacity right here, and so on, your rotation, and of course your what this is called is the anchor point. Yeah, so let's just undo it right there. So basically you have a lot of options right here that you can do to edit your text. This is why essential graphics is very helpful, especially with the align and transform, because you can't find it here when you go into effect controls, and then you go here, you edit your text here in the effect controls, you can't find it right here. All you have are these options right here, which is very limited. So from here you have a lot of options. You are free to explore that, and not just that, you can also add text by using a template. So you don't select anything right here, and you can click here on browse, and you have your templates right here. And remember, you can also import your templates right here. So for example, you have downloaded a text template in the internet, then you can just use it right here. So for example, I have downloaded something right here, so let's type simple, and I have some presets right here. So for example is this one right here. I'm gonna import this right there, and I have this animation, text animation right here, and I can just edit it right here. And yeah, I can do it like here, and I can edit the typography. I can do it for tutorial just like that, and as you can see, I can edit it just like that, and I can now edit it more with the colors and so on. So yeah, that is basically the ways on how you can import or add text into your video right here. So if you want to learn how to import your text animations right here, then you can search the video on my channel on how you can import your text animations. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.